Good morning, this is Brenda from Slapout Homestead, and today I want to show you how to DIY your hummingbird nectar. Okay, for our DIY hummingbird nectar, we need 1 cup sugar. This could be white sugar. This is the pure cane sugar. And it's going to be 4 cups total of water. I start out with 2 cups warm water. And whisk it around until it's dissolved. And then I add in 2 cups of cold water. You don't need to boil it. I'm using well water. If you're using tap water, you're going to want to let this set for 24 hours before you put it in your hummingbird feeders, and that way the chlorine in your water has a chance to vapor off. That's a good tip for watering your houseplants with faucet water, city water as well. You don't want to water your plants with tap water that just came straight out of the tap if you have city water. They won't like the chlorine. And that's all we do. Then we fill up our feeders and hang them outside for the birds to enjoy. You do not have to have red food coloring, especially if you have it in a red feeder. The birds can smell the sweet water. Actually, I've got 3 to fill, so I shouldn't put all of it in there. There we go. Keep these clean. And your hummingbirds will be happy. Just a quick DIY. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below. If you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to do so. I have lots more DIY. Let's make our hummingbirds happy and go hang this out and see who shows up. I'll see you on the next video. God bless.